Do you want to know how you can choose size in Shein? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can choose size in Shein. Go ahead and open Shein, which is on your phone. Now, let me show you how you can choose your size. Click on any product which you want to buy. Scroll a bit down and you can see the size over here. So all of these sizes are denoted below. You can even choose it by clicking on the sizes which are XXL, 4XL and all of these. Let me show it to you by giving another example. I'll just go and click on any t-shirt, scroll a bit down and you can see the size over here. So mostly the sizes are small, medium, large, XL and XXL. But if you want bigger clothes, you can tap on this and you can see 2X, 3X, 4X, 6S as well. So this is how you choose your size in Shein. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.